Welcome, we're here in beautiful Tampa, Florida for the 2024 Florida International Audio Expo. We're here at the Embassy Suites, right across the street from the Waffle House, which if you live in the United States, particularly the southern part of the United States, you'll have likely a great fondness for. But we're here for the show. It's going to be fantastic, and we appreciate you joining us.
This is the biggest and best Florida Expo yet. We're going to be bringing you videos from some of the very best rooms, and at the end we're going to do a wrap-up, which will pick some of the very best rooms for you guys.
And one more thing, we have our new Facebook group, The Listening Chair with Howard Neller. It's about 2 months old. We have already 10,000 members. It's a very dynamic group. Everyone's posting pictures of their systems from around the world. Check it out, join the group. I'm Howard Neller.
I'm Kemper Holt.
And welcome to The Listening Chair.
Hi, Howard and Kemper. We're here at the 2024 Florida International Audio Expo. My name is Leo. I'm the owner and designer behind Orchard Audio. And this is the Orchard Audio Room, which I'm also sharing with AJ from Soundfield Audio and Pete from Triode Labs.
Really, thanks for having us this morning, early in the show. So I think hopefully it's going to be well attended. It'll be a great show. So thanks again for having us. Yeah, tell us what you got today.
Okay. So today I'm debuting 2 new products. This right here is the Pecan Pie Plus Streamer Premium.
Okay.
It uses the flagship AKM 4499 DAC chip in it. And I have my own proprietary filtering circuitry on the output of it. So the streamer here also acts like a preamp. It has hardware volume control using the knob.
Okay.
Software volume control can be controlled either on the screen or using a phone or tablet that's on the same network. So that eliminates the need for a preamp. And it also has a headphone amplifier built in if you wanted to do that as well.
Awesome. So this basically would eliminate the number of boxes and the cost that you would need in putting together a system.
Correct. Yeah. So this system is very simple. Basically, streamer also acts as an amplifier, and then I have the amps go into the speakers, and that's it.
When you say it has proprietary filtering circuit, is that a user adjustable filter or it's automatic?
No, it's in the hardware. It's built in.
Okay, great. Yeah. Okay.
And so this right here is my Star Crimson Mono Premium. These are my new 150 watt monoblock amplifiers. And then I also have my Star Crimson Stereo Ultra. This is a 500 watt stereo amplifier.
Well, AJ, maybe you can tell us a bit about the speakers.
These are sort of a new old model. I actually had the 1212 original models a couple of years ago at the show, and I decided to change that model into an open baffle system. So these are the 1212 open baffles. It's a coaxial on top that's passive, a planar super tweeter that fires forward, a planar tweeter that fires backward to match the rear output of the coax, and then there are 2 12-inch U-baffle cardioid subwoofers, and those are active. The subwoofers are active, so there's a built-in 500 watt Hypex fusion amplifier that drives the subwoofers, and then Leo's Star Crimsons drive the passive components, the coax, mid-range and tweeter, as well as the super tweeter.
You brought the bass today, huh?
Yeah, I mean, so it's dual 12. It's fairly compact for a speaker that has 3 12-inch drivers, but cardioids are meant to counter the negative effects of rooms, and so it makes them a bit easier to place, as well as you notice there's no bass traps or any other form of treatment in the room. My speakers are specifically designed to counter the negative effects of typical rooms.
Do your speakers typically use a super tweeter?
Yes and no. If it's a large pro type compression driver, those tend to have narrower dispersion above 10 kilohertz or so. So my super tweeter is not to raise the frequency limit, it's to widen the dispersion where humans can hear it. Older guys like us probably can't hear much about 15, 16K. So if you widen the dispersion above 10 kilohertz, with a super tweeter, it adds air and space to the presentation.
Awesome. And how much are those?
Those are $7,500 for the pair, as shown.
And where are you guys located?
Tampa, Florida.
Oh.
I'm also 1/4 owner of the Florida Audio Expo, so I'm pulling double duty here.
Awesome. Well, I'm looking forward to hearing because it's certainly an interesting design. And then Pete.
Good morning, everybody, and I'd like to thank once again Leo and AJ for helping me participate in this great sounding room. And I'm the cable guy, Triode Wire Labs. We brought the cables to this room. On the amplifier, I'm using the high-power Digital American 2. That starts at $749. I also have my Spirit 2 Balance XLR interconnects, which hook up to all the various components. And finally, I have my American speaker cables that go from the amplifier into AJ's great sounding speakers.
Now I believe, because I've been there, you're located in Long Island, New York, right?
Yeah, up in Massapequa.
Some interesting products here, and I'm really interested in hearing how they sound. So.